What if the next fighter jet didn't just follow orders, but made split-second tactical decisions on its own? Imagine an aircraft so intelligent it can predict enemy movements, evade missiles before they're launched, and coordinate with dozens of autonomous drones, all while remaining nearly invisible to radar. The legendary F-35 has already redefined modern air combat, but engineers and defense researchers are now exploring technologies that could push stealth fighters into an entirely new era. Today, we'll explore 10 futuristic technologies that could define the next generation of AI stealth fighters. Some are already being tested. Others remain ambitious concepts, but together, they offer a fascinating glimpse into what the future of air combat might look like. The F-35 Lightning II is widely regarded as one of the most advanced multi-role fighter aircraft ever built. Its stealth design, sensor fusion, and networking capabilities have transformed how modern air forces operate. However, military aviation continues to evolve. Rapid advances in artificial intelligence, autonomous systems, new materials, propulsion, and human-machine collaboration are opening possibilities that were once confined to science fiction. It's important to note that many of the technologies we'll discuss are still under development, experimental, or conceptual. Rather than describing operational systems, this video explores realistic directions that future fighter aircraft could take based on current research and emerging trends. Let's begin. 1. AI copilot that thinks in milliseconds. For decades, fighter pilots have relied on training and instinct to make life or death decisions in fractions of a second. Future AI systems could act as intelligent co-pilots, continuously processing enormous amounts of battlefield data far faster than any human. Instead of replacing the pilot, AI could recommend evasive maneuvers, prioritize threats, optimize weapon selection, and even manage fuel consumption in real time. Imagine hundreds of radar signals, infrared detections, satellite intelligence, and drone feeds being analyzed simultaneously, all condensed into simple recommendations displayed inside the pilot's helmet. The result would be a pilot who can focus more on strategy, while AI handles overwhelming amounts of information. 2. Adaptive stealth skin. Traditional stealth relies heavily on aircraft shape and radar-absorbing materials. Future aircraft may go further. Researchers are investigating advanced materials that could dynamically adjust their electromagnetic properties to reduce detectability across different radar frequencies. While practical implementation remains a significant engineering challenge, the concept suggests that tomorrow's stealth aircraft may adapt to changing battlefield conditions rather than relying on a fixed stealth profile. Combined with heat management technologies that reduce infrared signatures, future fighters could become even harder to detect. 3. Loyal wingman drone swarms. One pilot, multiple aircraft. This idea is already influencing next-generation air combat concepts. Instead of flying alone, future stealth fighters may command several autonomous drones known as loyal wingmen. These drones could scout ahead, jam enemy radar, carry additional missiles, conduct electronic warfare, or even serve as decoys. If one drone is lost, the mission continues while keeping the human pilot farther from danger. Rather than replacing fighter jets, autonomous teammates could multiply their effectiveness. 4. Hypersonic adaptive engines. Speed has always been one of aviation's greatest advantages. Future propulsion systems may allow aircraft to transition more efficiently between subsonic, supersonic, and potentially higher-speed flight regimes. Although sustained hypersonic flight for crewed fighters presents major technical hurdles, including heat management and materials science, research continues into advanced engine concepts that could expand operational performance. Faster aircraft would reduce response times and increase mission flexibility. 5. Quantum navigation without GPS. Modern aircraft rely heavily on satellite navigation, but GPS signals can be jammed or disrupted. Future navigation systems may combine advanced inertial sensors with emerging quantum technologies to maintain precise positioning even when satellite signals are unavailable. While these systems are still being researched, they could make future aircraft more resilient in contested environments. Reliable navigation without GPS would provide a major operational advantage. 6. Laser defensive systems. 6. Laser defensive systems. Imagine intercepting incoming missiles not with another missile, but with light. Directed energy weapons have long been studied for defensive applications. In the future, compact laser systems could potentially help disable sensors or reduce the effectiveness of certain incoming threats, although substantial technical challenges remain before such systems could be widely deployed on fighter aircraft. If these hurdles are overcome, laser defenses could complement traditional countermeasures rather than replace them. 7. Predictive battlefield AI. Artificial intelligence may eventually move beyond reacting to threats. It could begin predicting them. By analyzing patterns of enemy movement, communications, terrain, weather, and historical tactics, AI might estimate where hostile aircraft or missile launches are most likely to occur. These predictions would support human decision-making, not guarantee outcomes. In complex environments, even small improvements in situational awareness can significantly influence mission success. 8. Intelligent pilot helm. Today's helmet-mounted displays already provide impressive situational awareness. Future versions could become even more immersive. Instead of forcing pilots to scan multiple instruments, augmented reality could display critical information directly over real-world views. Potential features include AI-generated threat indicators, recommended flight paths, friendly force locations, and real-time mission updates. The cockpit itself may become simpler as more information shifts into the pilot's field of view. 9. Self-healing aircraft materials. Combat damage has always posed serious risks. Scientists are exploring composite materials capable of limiting or repairing certain forms of minor damage through innovative material science. Although fully self-repairing aircraft remain speculative, future materials may improve durability, reduce maintenance, and increase mission readiness. Even modest advances in structural resilience could lower long-term operating costs. 10. Human-AI teaming. Perhaps the greatest breakthrough won't be a faster engine or better radar. It may be the partnership between humans and artificial intelligence. Future pilots are unlikely to become obsolete. Instead, they may command networks of intelligent aircraft, autonomous drones, space-based sensors, cyber defense systems, and battlefield AI, all working together. Rather than replacing human judgment, AI is expected to enhance it by processing information, suggesting options, and reducing workload during high-pressure situations. The future fighter may no longer be a single aircraft. It could become the center of an entire intelligent combat ecosystem. The future of stealth aviation is about far more than speed or firepower. It's about intelligence, connectivity, adaptability, and cooperation between humans and machines. Many of the concepts we've discussed are still experimental or remain long-term research goals.
From this vantage,
whether all of them become reality is uncertain, but together they illustrate the direction many aerospace researchers and defense organizations are exploring. One thing is clear: the next generation of fighter aircraft will likely be shaped not only by engineering, but also by advances in artificial intelligence. So here's a question for you. Which of these 10 technologies do you think will become operational first? Will it be AI copilots, loyal wingman drones, laser defense systems, or something even more revolutionary? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exploration of future military technology, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more documentaries about cutting-edge aviation, defense innovation, and the technologies shaping tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.